Hey guys, and welcome back to another look update video. So if you want to see my look update video, it will be linked in the card. I forgot what corner it's in. It's in one of those corners. But if you didn't already know, I do now have a separate channel for my lock videos. I just thought it'll be better to have a separate channel. I also have a separate Instagram, so go follow me on. So yeah, on my Instagram, I'll be sharing videos of my lock journey. I'll be sharing videos of other people's lock journey. So if you are also on Instagram, follow me at Beauty Locks, and also DM me your pictures so I can feature you on my page and just share the beauty behind locks, share lock care tips, inspiration, and just build a community where we can all love locks. So don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. I won't be uploading any more lock update videos or lock videos, hair videos in general on the Romulus pack. It'll now be on a separate channel which is called Beauty Locks. And yeah, I hope to see you guys all there and grow our community. So yeah, I thought I would create a different YouTube channel for my lock videos because I think I'm going to go more into depth into my locks because I am falling in love with them. So I will be doing monthly updates now, not every 3 months. I'll be doing more hair care products, more hair tips, hairstyles, everything to do with locks. And I'm excited for this journey. So yeah, if you are passionate about your locks as much as I am about my locks, then hit that subscribe button over at Beauty Locks. I won't be posting any more lock videos on this channel. So if it's lock videos that you're here for, then unsubscribe from this channel and then go over to Beauty Locks and subscribe to that channel.